Morning folks, Andy here and welcome back to the workshop. It's very quiet today, it's Sunday morning, it's only about 7:30, so I've just come in to progress this bed. I need to get it finished now. We've got all the timbers, drawer fronts, end panels, they've all been all finished off and varnished. I'm just going to whip some wax on them now and then we're going to get them fitted. Right, that's them done. Smooth as a baby's bum. That's it, you can see all the grain now. So we'll get some screws and get them in. We'll get in there, because I'll have to bit the back there to get these panels in, I can't reach over. Using these little 13mm wafer head screws. They're used on structural frame systems on modern buildings, but they're ideal for this as well. They're great for timber and MDF. Right, next thing is get the drawers in. Right, next job, getting these fronts on. Right, got a dab on now, it's hard work that. A bit of a workout waxing, so got them all waxed. We'll get the drill and we'll get some, we'll put in those drawer fronts and we'll have them on. Okay, so that's it. As far as I can go today. That's the top that's going on. Everything's, well, not everything. There's something wrong with the runner there. It's jamming up. I'll have to swap the runner out. But apart from that, that's as much I can do at the moment. Need to get that top lacquer, but I'm out of lacquer now. So I'll get some of that and get that finished. Obviously we're going to pull these open, so I'm going to do leather handles on them to pull them open. We'll have a quick look at the colour's lovely, I think. So they match up going round, and this grain, although at this end you're probably not going to see much of this. I don't at all, you don't see that back one, but anyway, then I think this one only from about here. See the soft close mechanism takes it in, apart from on that one. So join me next time and we'll get this wiped off. We'll have the handles, we've got the panels to put in the top there for the mattress to go on, and get the handles on. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay folks, so the bed frame's made and the drawers are in and what have you, and I've now got to do some handles, which I've done some already, but I've got some more to do. The leather handles. So these are the handles I make. So that's real leather. That's horse though. Not cow, not bovine. Horse. Right. Well, I've dyed that colour. I've done the edges, what they call edge finishing. That's an edge paint. And the saddle stitch. So I've done half a dozen altogether. There's 4 there. So we have several of those made now. I've got some more there. I've got a total of 8, I believe, 9. I've got 9 made. And we're making some more in different colours and a different way. But anyway, that's it. Next thing is back down to the boat to get these fitted onto the bed. So join me back down there. Welcome to a freezing cold workshop. Saturday morning. It's only 7 o'clock. It's light nowadays. Nearly getting to spring, but it's a cold one today. Everything's frozen up, the vehicles and that. So just come to sort these handles out on here. I want to play around and set one up. Try and get the correct spacing. So they sort of sit back flat, and then when you pull on them, they open out. It's simply, it's 160mm I've got there between the hole centres. Simple measurements, 100mm from each end, 100mm in, 160 centre at drawer, pull straight on that runner, so slide out easy, and that's it really. I'll mask this off and then mark out with a pencil, mark the holes, little pilot hole, screws in, job done. that's it, they're done. They will want tweaking when I fit this on the boat. When it's all fastened in and what have you, I'll tweak all the doors so they all close smoothly and that, but that's about as much as I can do on here. All I've got to do is cut a panel for the top now. I don't put lats in or to put a flat panel in. But I'm leaving all this loose till it's on the boat, and then it can all be fastened down correctly to suit the situation on both, because we'll have a gap at this end with a panel down and a bit of an overhang on that end. But that's it. That's me done for the time being in the workshop with this bed. We'll have a look. So that's it, there's the door pulls on. Top's done. It does have a lat in here to fetch it all up level to this. We're all done then. It's freezing. I think I'm going home. I've had enough. It's a real cold day today. Anyway, thanks everyone, thanks for watching and liking and subscribing, thanks for leaving comments, I do appreciate that. Any advice, I do listen, and if you can subscribe, that'll be great. Subscribe to the channel, we've got a lot more to do. Got this boat's nearly finished in here, we've got all mine to finish this year, and well, hopefully by the summer I'll be on that one. So I'll see you all later. Ta-ra!